It's a celebration of Jamaican cuisine as we count down to Jamaica 55. Jamaica is home to some of the most exciting dishes. While most folks will tell you there is no place like Mama's Kitchen, roadside nyamins remain an important part of the island's culinary culture. So just in case you're thinking of taking a road trip through the land of Jamaica, we've highlighted 3 of the many foods you can enjoy while ditching the knives and forks for finger-licking goodness. Jamaican jerk chicken. This smoked cooked meat is one of the most popular foods in the Caribbean. Marinated in island spices, the jerk chicken is pretty much found everywhere. And for good reasons too. Locals and foreigners love it. It's filling, flavorful, and simply unforgettable. Its unique taste keeps people wanting more and more, and its popular spice is sampled around the world. Most roadside cooks will tell you the meat is seasoned and left for 2 days before jerked. What they won't tell you is the recipe behind the great taste. That's no longer an issue though. The secret has long been out. Want a different type of animal protein while traveling? Well, the streets have you covered. Fish is also another easy-to-get roadside food. Whether it's steamed, stewed, or fried, you can enjoy the catch of the day in any parish. Border, referring to the parish border between St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, is one of the many on-the-way food stops in the country that provides some scrumptious seafood. Their best seller? Fry fish. The signature tie of the fish piques interest and for frequent fish eaters, a much appreciated practice because presentation matters even when it's just roadside nyamins. What's a road trip nyamming experience without roast yam and saltfish? Yellow yam is a staple in the Jamaican food market, and its combination with saltfish makes it a popular food in the Streets East collection. To bring it all down is the hydrating coconut jelly water. Along with having numerous health benefits, the coconut jelly is high on the list of street treats that are not only easily accessible but affordable as well. Countdown to